In this video, I wanted to talk about why you might want to build a WordPress membership site as opposed to using a platform such as like Udemy or Skillshare, some of these other platforms that are more of marketplaces. In a lot of cases, some people, depending on where you're at with whatever it is you're teaching, you may already have built an audience, maybe you have an email list, and you really just don't want to have your course out in a place like Udemy where they're going to be presenting coupon codes, potentially like lowering the cost of your course. Maybe it's something where you already have a Udemy course and you'd also like to offer that to people through a website, like such as a blog. WordPress is basically a really great way that you're going to be able to create a membership site, and of course there's all kinds of different ways you can do this. There's lots of different plugins. Like I said, there are other courses that I've found that cover these, but this course is really going to focus on the ZippyCourses plugin. It's definitely one of the easiest I've used to get set up and started with. There are some really positive things about it, and there are some negative things as well. So I'm going to be kind of be covering all of that and talking about one of the bigger reasons you could go with a platform like ZippyCourses and why it would be good for your business as opposed to going with some of these standard sites. I guess I'll cover that in one of the next videos, but basically one of the best reasons you want to create a membership site would be more of you want to be able to have more control over everything you're doing. If you're really relying on another system, creating your own site and having a membership site there is really going to be the best way to go about it. So that's something you'll be able to learn going through this.